My name is Frederic. I'm the owner of Main Cabinets and Refinishing. I specialize in high-end cabinet refinishing, refacing. So I own the CanCam C2-510ATC. The thing with a machine like this is it doesn't actually need to run all day long to make you money. I think just having it run sometimes like a few hours a day will flood the whole shop with parts. So this order right here, 2,500 bucks that I sold this. But like I find like a CNC is expensive, but it's not that expensive for what it can do compared to, let's say you want to automate finishing. Well, those machines cost 10 times more, 20 times more, and they're much more finicky. There's more waste. A CNC is definitely the first upgrade a small cabinet shop should do. This took 6.3 minutes in the system, so like, yeah, it's you can't beat that.